been eating this tree your whole life and you never knew it. Because it may look like this girl's just peeling bark, but this process is how we get one of the most popular spices in the world. And all starts by peeling off this rough outer layer, but the real treasure is this layer underneath, which is the soft and thin inner bark that's actually edible and loaded with flavor. And it's very important that it's handled with care, which is why he's making precise cuts along the trunk, carefully loosening the inner bark so it could be peeled off in these long smooth sheets. But once harvested, it immediately starts to dry, and as it does, it naturally curls into these familiar rolls we all know as cinnamon, which is used in your favorite desserts, drinks, and pretty much everything.